Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. Today we have got part 61 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. So issue 61, we're going to start working on the knee joint. Let me show you exactly what we've got to do. So as you can see, these are the parts we get. We get this nice big knee joint here. So let's take a look and show you what we've got. So these are the parts that we get. We get two ratchet joint parts that we've got to put on, and we get this sort of like piston-y part here. So let's flick through. We've got to put some glue on the ratchet part. We're going to be installing that on one side. We're going to be doing exactly the same with the other side. Then we're going to take this piston part here. We've got a little screw hole right down here, and that's where we're going to be screwing that onto, just here, and this should be able to pivot back and forth. We should have something that looks like that towards the end. And coming up next time, we're going to fit the kneecap and assemble the knee joint. Yep, so a nice quick easy issue today. So let's get the parts open and start building. So we've got the parts out of the packaging, and this is the part we're going to need first. This is the main part of the knee, and as you can see, we've got a ratchet part got to go in there, and this is plastic, and so is the piston part. So I've already got some glue on the tub right here, so we can grab ourselves a cocktail stick and lather this on to the pin parts on here. But yeah, not too much to do today. Nice quick easy video. So that's the first one all done. We can drop that in and spin it around till it drops into place, and there we go. So now we can turn it over, and we're going to do exactly the same with the back end. And then we can drop this one in as well. So again, spinning it round, pushing it into place, just like that. So now, as you can see here, we've got a little hole just here, and that's what we're going to be aiming for. And we can take this part, and we're going to be screwing that to the side there. So we can leave that on there. We can take one of these screws. There's only one type of screw this week, and we can screw this into there. Just like that. And as you can see, we've still got full movability of this joint. So that's this issue all complete. Not too much to do in this issue, nice and easy. And yeah, just a quick reminder of what's coming up in the next issue. We're going to fit the kneecap and assemble the knee joint. And this video will be out tomorrow. There you go guys, that's issue 61 of Build the Terminator, all complete. And yeah, that was nice and short and sweet. And we can move on to issue 62, which will be available tomorrow. So if you like this video guys, please leave a like down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Till next time guys, take care, bye bye.